Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zeus Tech. Hello everyone, welcome back. So, today in this video, we're going to be doing a little more, a deeper dive into object orientation classes. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to get, how to make a parameter for classes. As for functions, we have parameters. But for classes, they're a little different. So I'll be showing you how to make those. So, yeah, let's begin then, guys. So, let's start off by just making a class. Just make a class and name it my class. Okay, and then let's just make it owner is Josh. And this is an example of a class. But say that we want to ask the user, maybe the class is a random person. Maybe you want this to have functionalities, and say that the owner can change, because owners of they can change, So the way that we do that is by calling a function. So we make a function with def, and this function is called init. And this will pass here. So this is probably looking very intimidating, but it really isn't. Let me explain it. What def init is that it basically you're able to put parameters here. Like say that we want owner. Now, if we call my class and we specify this, yeah, as you see, it comes up owner. Expects a parameter owner, and that was what we did with this. And just so you guys know, a proper way of doing it is doing m equals my class. So we make an instance. So you see here, we need an owner, and there's this yellow outline as well. So now, let's just learn what we can do with it. Because if we put owner my name, nothing will happen if we print this. It won't print anything. So what we will do instead is that we will put something that says self dot owner equals owner. And you guys have seen here that self. What self does is that it's basically a way for us to be able to keep keep variables and things like that are a part of the class that can be changed, that are part of the user. Every user has different things, and we have self, and then we have CLS. CLS is something else I'll be explaining in a future video. So for self.owner, you see here we have this, and with this we can make another function called display. And in this function, you see that we're calling self. And here we can just print owner equals self.owner. Owner. And what this does exactly is that we made a class, and we made an init function. And inside, we specified self.owner, and self is how we specify something, a variable that's inside of the class, not outside. And that it can change, it's not fixed, and it equals owner. And what this does, it's basically a way to put parameters here. So the parameter that's here, this variable equals the parameter. And then what we're doing here is that we're displaying it. So let's just put this in action then. Let's make my name here, and we can do m.display. And what we're doing here is that because we're making instance, we have access to all the functions. So we just specified the parameter, and in the display function, the functionality of the function is that it prints this variable. So if we run this, if I could right click, I'll just click this. You'll see it printed owner equals Josh. So this. Hey guys, so my recording software does this sometimes where it just stops recording for some reason, and that just happened now, and I wasn't able to finish my outro, so I'll just say it right now, just be because I want to like live this in a good note and stuff like that. So yeah, this is my example. This is the example of my classes and how to ask for parameters and stuff like that. So if you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below how it was, and turn on the post notifications to get notified whenever I release a new video. And with that said, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.